Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're gonna do the most beautiful, simple tablescape that anyone can do. And then on top of that, we're gonna be making a really pretty herb centerpiece. And I've been outside working on getting them all made up. I can't wait to show you what I came up with. But most of all, I wanna show you that today, the video that we're gonna be doing, anyone can do. The tablescape, I feel like a lot of people feel like when they're having people over, they don't really want to set the table because they think they have to have china and matching glasses and the silverware where the forks need to be on the left and all that. No, I'm going to show you how you can do your table so elegant yet simple, and you're going to love it. So if you haven't already, please like this video. I would love for you to subscribe, and so let's go get to this tablescape. Okay, so to begin with, I'm going to give you an idea. First of all, I don't want you to think that you have to use a placemat. You don't need to use a tablecloth. You don't have to use a table runner. Honestly, you do not have to put anything on your table if you do not want to. A fun option that you could do is like brown craft paper. This is actually mailing postal paper. This will be a really cool thing where you could like run this down the middle as your table runner, or run it across your table this way in between each chair like that. And then this could end up being your actual placemat. This is a really cool kind of rustic fun look that you could do, and so cheap. But keep in mind, you don't have to do anything if you don't want to. I just so happen to have a table runner that's already on my table that I'm just gonna use because I think it's actually gonna look good with this table setting. But for you guys, no pressure. Okay, so let me show you this. For this table setting, I'm letting you know that your plate and your salad plate do not have to match. And a little FYI, this is actually a washcloth. I just thought it was so cute. And then our cups aren't going to match. We're not going to do fancy silverware where we do like a napkin ring or anything. This is so super simple and cute. Let me show you how we're going to put it all together. Next up is our adorable little washcloths that match. Not even gonna make you iron them. Don't worry about it. This way. Gonna use this black string. Look how cute this is. We sell this at Target. I'll link it down below. Alright, salad plate. Doesn't have to match. Okay, now let's go get some more lavender out of the garden to clip onto the side. Let's go find some cups. And we're gonna make a really pretty centerpiece. Just take your little clothespin, take your little lavender, hook it onto the side. I have a really cute idea too I just thought of. I wish I had good handwriting. You could take a black Sharpie and you could write the person's name right there. Maybe I could do that with my Cricut. Always got an idea trying something. Okay, next up, we're only going to use a fork and a knife. We're not going to be fancy at all. We're going to put those over like that. Okay, so say you don't have any string or anything like that, you could just leave your fork sitting like that. But I'm just going to use this black string that I have left and tie them together just to make it look cute. Okay, so there we have that. Now I'm just going to do that around the rest of the table, and then we'll put the glasses on. And then I just added my mismatched glassware. I have martini glasses. I have wine glasses. So none of mine, I think 2 of each match on ours. Okay, and then lastly, I just took my 4 little herb pots that we made. Oh my goodness, they're so cute. Huge shout out to my neighbor for letting me have those. And I just added in this little wood thing that I had and some candles and one of my dough bowl candles. And look how simple that was. I bought nothing. This is all stuff that I already had. But if you wanted to buy stuff, I mean, this is just a really cute little way. I put this little wood block that I had under this one to kind of give this one some height over here since I had the height from the candles. But I think this turned out so adorable. Let's light our candles. This tablescape turned out so pretty, so simple and elegant, and I wish you guys could smell how good it smells in here from all these herbs from the herb garden. I highly suggest doing this one. Anyone can do it. It's super easy. I hope you guys found this video helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe. We'll see you next time. Bye-bye.